Fucking retards. He's right around the corner to the right here. Don't get me up, don't get me up.
No, bro, I have nothing.
Fucking lucky idiot. Living through a shotgun blast.
You can do it.
I have a fucking smoke grenade.
Dog, fucking.
No ammo?
No, I have no ammo. That's why I was trying to get you up.
Just go punch him.
No, you're talking
That's
to them.
all you can do.
You're talking to them. You told the whole room I don't have any ammo.
Yeah, you did. Run. Throw the smoke. Throw the smoke. God. Oh,
Look,
yeah.
those guys can't aim. They can't aim. They're okay. They can't aim for shit. Look at them. They can't hit shit.
Oh,
Fucking
no.
dummies.
Oh. Yeah, right back
Those
in the
idiots
house.
can't aim, dude. Look at that. They have potato hands. Sausage fingers with potato hands.
You're gonna have to jump.
Yeah, just end.
Oh, there's no roof.
There isn't.
Brutal.
You told the whole room I didn't have ammo, man. I mean, I'm not gonna make it anyways.
You might know. Yes. Yeah, dude. Yeah, dude. You're fine. You're fine. Oh, goodness. Oh, God. Get out of there. Oh, no. Oh, no.
Oh my god. My heart
Good
is
for you.
racing right now.
I know, dude. Mine was racing for you.
I gotta click.